Everybody, it's EK from EK Gorman Designs, and I am sneaking in today with a unboxing of the newest and latest White Rose Crafts True Blue Monochrome Card Making Kit. Earlier this year, Pantone put out that the color of the year was True Blue, and now White Rose Crafts have put out a card making kit that features completely this brand new blue palette. So everything in here has been cultivated to encompass this true blue feeling. I will start with the card topper here. It is 12 by 12 Kaiser Craft card topper. All these can easily be cut out and used to top images. And it's just, I don't know, it's really cool. I like the Indigo Dreams. There's a lot of fun sentiments on it. And yeah, you get two pieces of cardstock, both of which are Petallics, one in blue, blue star, and the other in pearl. They both have a sheen to them, and they're actually really great for die cutting. You get a collection of ScrapBerry pigment ink blue 6x6. Oh no, ScrapBerry. It is I can do this. ScrapBerry Rhapsody and blue papers. They're a collection of printed papers. They have a floral theme to them, but they are, again, all in this indigo blue color that kind of keeps with this monochrome theme. But there's a nice collection. They're not, all of the prints are pretty subtle, so you have different options with them, so the paper doesn't have to be the main focus. The paper can actually blend into the background real nicely. And I think that's really exciting with a kit like this, that the papers don't necessarily have to be the star of the show. The blue is what's going to be the really cool star here. And I don't know, it's a nice, like I said, it's a fun kind of collection of papers. Up next, as I clear these away, are card frames. You get 3 card frames from Dovecraft. They're all in shades of blue, and 6x6 card frames with coordinating envelopes. So you get one in this powder blue, and I don't know if that's actually the color it is. I'm guessing the color. It's powder blue and more of a traditional blue, or I like to call it boy blue, and then in a navy or indigo card frame. So 3 6x6 card frames, which is always fun. Then you also get some photo frames, which can be used kind of, well, I will show when I start using this kit. These can be used in a lot of really fun, cool ways. But they're thicker cardboard, so they're real stiff, and I like that about them. So you get the Dovecraft Blue Star photo frames. You're going to get the Ruby Rocket Bella Bling blue rhinestone butterflies. They look like you've individually placed those rhinestones, but it's all one adhesive. You're also going to get the Dovecraft Blue Skies photo corners, and then you can see there's a collection of colors. If you've got something you want to lock in, the corners will do that. You're going to get the Dovecraft Blue Skies button pack and the Blue Skies Dovecraft ribbon. So you can see all of these pieces actually coordinate very, very nicely together as it is, because they come from the same collection of Dovecraft. You're also going to get the Want to Scrap adhesive pearls and steel blue, and these are self-adhesive dots, for lack of a better term. You're going to get the ScrapBerry pigment ink. This is a really nice pigment ink. It will do really fine stamping detail if you need it to, and the color is really cool. It is genuinely true blue right there. This is the color of the year. The pigment ink takes a little bit of time to dry, but it's totally worth it. Heat setting it will make it dry quicker, and yeah. And then finally, you're going to get the Little Acres Creations balloon alphabet stamp set, which I think is really going to make this whole kit kind of sing and pop together, because you can create your own sentiments with it. I hope you're as excited as I am about the monochrome kit. It goes on sale today. It's limited supply, and when they sell out, they sell out. So make sure you pop over to White Rose Crafts and check it out today. And let me know in the comments below what crafting product you're most excited to see me play with. Until then, happy crafting.